Where's that on? Rose one.
Boom! Here with the Apex. First flight, maiden, fucking everything. Crossfire, all the jubilee jabblies. It's not KISS, by the way. It's beta flight stuff.
Fuck you, KISS!
Take that, KISS. Alright, 6S. It's got my session on board. So for the HD, let's turn that on. Let's turn DVR on. Alright, can't get the DVR working on my goggles. HD2s, you know, go fucking fuck yourself.
Give it to, it's Darren's job to
If anyone's got some HDOs they want to, you know, hook me up.
Scott does.
Scott's borrow permanently? Careful, dude.
That's way too lean.
All right.
You've got an R3.
So we're just going to use this GoPro on the ground and get Darren talking about shit when he hits a tree and breaks it in half. And we're going to have the GoPro on here so these can sync up. All right. Cool.
And he's on my...
That's the circle of the plane line.
4.0.6 beta flight.
Get out of it, Corey.
All right. Cool. Good luck. Good hard.
Matty for zit.
He's got,
Pack, Matty for
he's got zit arming. So move closer. Right. Nice red LEDs you got there.
Mmm, they're pretty. Tell you what.
Default PIDs?
No.
Okay, so what you put in?
I've upped the P and the I by 10, and I've got 5 points of D.
On top of the defaults.
Yep.
Yeah, cool. Now he's not running hyper smooth. He's using GoPro Session 5, so you know, no stabilization, and show you.
Tell you what, this thing. This is a nice fucking flight.
Looks pretty changed. Like, looks to be flying nice.
This is coming from a person who's never done pit tuning before.
Taught by the best, mate.
That's right, Pinky FPV.
YouTube.
It's fucking, this thing flies really nice. I think Impulse got their fucking shit together.
Let's see how durable it is.
Yeah,
No,
see that
run
building,
into that wall.
See that building right there, Darren? Just 6S, right into that.
Boy, he's fucking pushing the boundaries. Going into the tall trees. Ooh, fucking look out. Good stuff, Darren. You're running 800 milliwatts?
Yeah.
Oh,
won't
didn't do that one.
No.
He might not fly pussy packs, but he
you-
flies pussy lines.
Oh, shots fired. Shots.
Yeah, be quiet, Corey.
Why?
We'll show you pussy line straight in your face. No,
Yeah, where are you, Corey?
no, I'm standing next to him.
Right here, Darren. Right in between you here.
Yeah, and I'm on the other side. No, that's good. Looks like it's floating nice. And
Oh, yeah.
I can't see any bobbling around.
No, I can't either. That's really amazing.
What props are you using? S4s?
S3s.
S3s. Ethics S3 HQ props. Better be able to fucking hear me, stupid GoPro. I need like an external mic or something.
You'll be one of those tiny voices that you hear from mini humans or something with a movie.
Yeah, if anyone that watches my channel uses an external mic for the GoPro Hero 7, can you let me know, please? Like what it is.
Leave a
and how
like
you
and
use
leave it in the
cause,
comments.
Because I want to fucking do it myself, and you know, I don't know how.
It's called a Hero 8.
I think you can do it through Bluetooth, like get a Bluetooth mic.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the
Mamba,
Apex.
isn't it?
So, how are you thinking?
I'm really liking this thing.
Looks like you are. You're flying around pretty nicely. Going around the trees. Oh, yeah. Close to. Just I like to cut it close. Go chase the plane. Plane's in there.
I didn't know what you were doing there for a sec, Darren. It looked like you were going to hit that gap and then you moved away at the last second there.
And he pulled out with his level tilt.
Yeah. Well, did he really pull out?
Level tilt.
Did he really pull out then if it's level?
It's like, ooh, that fucking pole was close. Fuck me.
I think my OSD is right out.
What do you mean right out?
Like
it's
the
22.1. Oh yeah, the mark. 434 mark. Fucking knows. Your voltage is at 21. I'd be bringing it back. I don't know. Are these fresh packs?
Oh yeah.
Brand new?
No.
Like you've run them before?
Yeah, oh yeah. I've run them a few times, these ones.
I thought I heard the plane just crash, but it didn't. There should be a plane out there somewhere.
That thing.
I can't see it anymore. You got some lines. Is that on yours too?
Yeah.
So there's some lines in the noise.
Yeah. That's 4.5.
What are you powering the camera off? LIPO?
Yes.
That's why. Change it to 5 volt, dude, and that'll be beautiful.
Yeah, there's jumper pads. You can put it on VBAT or 5 volt.
Put your camera on 5 volt.
That's what I'm doing right now then.
Yeah. Oh, well, you don't do it now.
No, I'll do it right now. We'll do it right now then.
It should regulate that camera volt, because that should regulate those camera noise. The noise on your camera feed is just diagonal. Yeah. And yeah, get rid of it.
Right,
make it nice and solid.
Fix that right now.
So what do you think, dude?
That is spectacular. Impulse RC, you've got your shit together. This thing is amazing. It really flies well. Oh my god.
He's blowing smoke up your ass.
No. Well,
Says the person that just bought 2. And spent like $900 on gear to put in them. So there you have it, from Darren himself, maidening the Apex. He thinks it's killer. You know. So
I'm gonna buy another one.
I'm gonna buy another one. Yeah, and you love your aliens too.
Oh, yes.
He loves his aliens.
This is a bit of a workhorse now. It looks beat up, but it flies really well.
But when your quad's that dirty and still running beautifully, like it says something like that the frame just holds all together, and that the components you're using are solid too. Like, you know, you got the brain FPV in here, and what are they, Wraiths or Aikons or something? Wraith ESCs. It's a solid setup.
With Cats motors. They are awesome motors, boys and girls.
Z-Cats.
Z-Cat.
2207, 1750. Yeah,
They are a nice motor, I do admit. Right.
Very nice.
You go there.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Cool.